Okay, so here we have medium-sized Manzanita. This is a Big Sur Manzanita. Arctostaphylos edmundsii, Big Sur. And here's another Arctostaphylos edmundsii. This one is Bert Johnson here. And then here we have a John Dowerly Manzanita. And back there we have a Sunset Manzanita. And right there we have a Mount St. Helena Manzanita. So these are pretty much, I think these are pretty much all the Manzanitas we have here. We have another John Dowerly over on this side. So I'm going to start by pruning this one here, the Big Sur Manzanita. And the idea is to, when they're at this stage, we can start lifting them a little bit, which means removing the lower branches so that you can start to see their trunks. But one thing that's important is to know which direction is which. You don't want to give the trunks, the fresh bark, the bark, you don't want it to have a south or western exposure when it's, unless it's blocked by something else. Or it can burn and you can get sunburned trunks on these. So this one is an eastern exposure, so I think we're all set. This is an eastern exposure here. It is a long time, so I'm not going to do too much cutting in here, but I'm going to cut some. So start with this here. And I'm using a good pair of sharp pruners, which are very sharp and fairly new, and they're clean. I clean them with the alcohol. So I'm going to remove these branches that are completely covering the rocks. I think I'm going to need my bigger ones for that. ¿Dónde están mis otros tijeras? Las grandes. It's a good idea to use the right size. It's a good idea to use the right size pruner at all times, because you have to be careful not to split the trunks at all. And Manzanita trunks are fairly easy to split. So, and that so use the right size pruners. Well, I'm going to keep pruning this. You can puedes pararlo.